Põlva in southeastern Estonia is proud of its flagship public high school, the first in the country with a near zero carbon footprint. This European project offers sustainable energy solutions ranging from the choice of building materials to the way this smart building is run. Despite the energy crisis that's affecting Europe today, gas, electricity and water consumption remains very low here.
Our energy neutral school, it means that we have solar panels, about 140 up on the roof, and the classrooms are on a southern side so that we could use most of the sun. We have a lot of wood that makes it feel really cozy and warm, like it embraces you.
Here, all energy sources are green. Some are obvious, like these 144 solar panels. Others are more subtle, like these blinds that automatically go up or down depending on the light and help regulate the temperature inside. The building, which dates back to Soviet times, was completely rebuilt in 2016, and Kuldar, a former elected official in Põlva, was behind the idea.
Here in small city, it's a big step, and we have very effective ventilation system. After all, we collect rain water and we use this in our system. And finally, we use district heating with warm water.
The total budget for this project was over 5.7 million euros, with a contribution from the European cohesion policy of 4.9 million euros. More than 260 students and teachers benefit from the project. All light bulbs are LED, and natural materials were chosen to replace steel and concrete, which generate CO2. The bioclimatic architecture, the thermal insulation and the lighting have an impact on the motivation of students and teachers.
I think that the environment around me helps me to learn better because thanks to this school, I have become more aware of environmental issues. For example, I turn off the lights more often, I don't leave them on, I recycle more, I also reuse a lot of materials.
The project has been used as a model both within Estonia and abroad. It was recently recognised as one of the best European projects at the Regio Stars Awards.